Good morning, everyone. Kong Si Fat Chai. Let's greet everyone. Kong Si Fat Chai.
Kong Si Fat Chai.
Okay. I'm glad that we were able to celebrate Chinese New Year again. This has been a tradition ever since China Jade District. And okay, this celebration is actually deeply meaningful to us. It is not just a tradition, it is actually a legacy. We began this when our beloved Auntie Tessie, everyone, you know Auntie Tessie, di ba? She started China Jade, and even after she passed in 2023, we chose to continue this tradition. Because what she built was more than a district. She built a family. And today, seeing all of you here, I know she would be smiling from heaven. To our branch managers and teams who traveled to be here, welcome. Thank you for coming here. And the originals, DM Henson, Uncle Pedro, the originals of China Jade District. Your presence reflects unity, and unity is what makes a district strong. We also deeply honored to welcome our leaders from True Life UK, President and CEO Sanjay Chakrabarti and Mrs. Rina Chakrabarti, Attorney Calvin from Legal and Compliance, and the members of our head office EXCO team. Your presence tells us that what we are building here matters. Chinese New Year is about renewal. It reminds us that every year we are given another opportunity to reset, to realign, to recommit, and to rebuild. In our business, we know that success is never accidental. It is actually intentional. It is disciplined, it is built on relationships, trust, and consistency. The Chinese community understands something powerful. Prosperity is not just about money. It is about harmony, it is about family, it is about legacy. And in this district, that is what we strive for. We are not just here to hit numbers. We are here to build leaders. We are here to protect legacies, and we are here to create generational impact. Auntie Tessie taught us the importance of gathering, of breaking bread together, of remembering that beyond the targets and the trophies, we are human beings building something meaningful. As we enter this new year, may we carry forward her spirit, a spirit of excellence, a spirit of generosity, a spirit of unity, and a spirit of courage. May this year bring stronger partnerships, bigger dreams, health for our families, growth for our branches, and continued collaboration across districts. Let today not just be a celebration, but a recommitment. Recommitment to growth, leadership, and being better together. From all of us here in China Jade, Escolta, welcome once again. May this year be prosperous, purposeful, and powerful for each one of you. And let us live by this verse, Ephesians 6:9. Let us not be weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Kong Si Fat Chai, and may the year ahead bring abundance in business, in relationship, and in life. Thank you, and let's celebrate.